Body sign and symptoms, aches in the whole body. Aches in the whole body. By aches in the whole body, refers to aches or pain in most of the joints and muscles, which is not common symptoms. The most important distinction is that according to onset, aches or pain in the whole body with sudden onset is due to invasion of external wind, and therefore accompanied by aversion to cold, shivers, fever, and floating pulse. In chronic condition, the most common cause of aches in the whole body is deficiency of G and blood. In this case, it is accompanied by pronounced lassitude and is ameliorated by rest. Aches in the muscles of the body and especially the limbs are usually due to retention of dampness in the muscles and are frequently seen in chronic fatigue syndrome. In this case, the muscle ache is accompanied by a pronounced feeling of heaviness of the limbs and body. Aches in all the muscle with a hot sensation of the body to palpitation are due to stomach heat. Pain in the arms and shoulder experienced only when waking is due to liver stagnation. In women, after childbirth, pain in the whole body is due to blood deficiency. It is dull or blood stasis if it is severe and stabbing. Summary, aches in the whole body. So if due to deficiency of G and blood, lassitude ameliorated by rest, retention of dampness in the muscle, so feeling of heaviness of the limbs and body. Due to stomach heat, there is hot sensation of the body. If due to liver stagnation, pain in the arms and shoulder when walking. Blood deficiency after childbirth. Blood stasis, so like in the body, stabbing pain after childbirth. Body aches include aches in the muscle and on joints. Letter A, wind. Ache in the joints, aversion to cold, fever, occipital headache, floating pulse. This is a pain that occurs in acute invasion of wind. Dampness. Ache in the muscles and joints. Feeling of heaviness. Headache with a feeling of the head were wrapped in cotton wool. Sticky coating, tongue coating, saggy or slippery pulse. This is probably the most common type of joint and muscle ache, and it can be either acute or chronic. It is seen in fixed painful obstruction syndrome and in post-viral fatigue syndrome. G stagnation. Aches in the joints, especially of the upper part of the body. That is better with the exercise. Feeling of distension of the limbs, wiry pulse. Blood stasis. Severe stabbing pain in the joints that is better with the exercise. So the tongue is purple, wiry pulse. This pattern is more likely to occur in the elderly. But it is also relatively frequent in women suffering from blood stasis. For example, it may occur after childbirth if there is stasis of blood. Blood deficiency. Dull ache, all the muscle that is worse after exercise. Frequently after childbirth. Tinkling of the limbs, pale tongue, and choppy or fine pulse. Stomach heat. Pain in all the muscles. Skin hot to the touch. Red tongue with a yellow coating and overflowing rapid pulse. Thank you po for your attention.